Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have a 4,000 watt peak power inverter, which will take 12 volts in and shoot out 120 volts. So it will give me my DC in and AC out so I can control all my things. Came in the box here and to connect it up, it's super simple. I'm just gonna connect it up here to this marine battery I have. Basically put it in there, the washer, and this is what I had to do on the other side too, on the back of the inverter. Just had to hook it up like that. And I don't have a screwdriver or a wrench, so it's not gonna be very tight right now, but it should give me enough signal for the back of my car. And then, there we go. Okay, so there's that, there, and oops. I don't know if you heard the air went off on that fan. Okay, so here we go. So we have it on there now, and so what we have is we have a bunch of ports on that front, and we have right there it says 13.2 volts and 120 volts out, and we have a remote control for it as well. Let me show you what we have here. So we could turn it on and off remotely from a different area with this plug here. I think that just plugs into the back. I don't need to open it all up right now, but you get the idea. So right now it's off, and then there it's on. So we are just given the ability to control it with that. But we also have an off button here. So it's a three-way switch. So if this one's off, then we can turn this one off and on. And if that one's on, that one's on, it stays on. Okay, so this one here's a master, and if this one here's off, we can control it with this one here. We can turn it back on. So it's kind of a little three-way switch. Okay, and then in here, we're able to plug in basically anything that uses up to 4,000 watts. So I could put some huge subwoofers in here. I could put, a blender or something like that. Those use like 1,000. I could put a hairdryer. A hairdryer uses, I don't know, 200 maybe, 100 something. So you can use a whole lot on there. And so this is a great little device here. This is gonna be for the camper actually. So in my RV, I don't even have that much there. I guess it'll keep my refrigerator going and a few other things. So it's gonna be able to do a lot. It'll keep the refrigerator going. It'll keep probably even do the air conditioner and do that. One of my air conditioner runs 12 volts. But that's it. So it's really cool. So if you need a power inverter or something like that for your car or for anything, hooks up easy just into your 12 volt system and you are good to go. Thumbs up for sure.